Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. Thank you for stopping by. In this video, I will be making a perfume roll-on. And the fragrances I'll be using is caramel, vanilla. I'll be using chocolate amber. And I'll be using milk and honey. And the other ingredients I'll be using grapeseed oil here and denatured alcohol to help preserve the scent. And I have my little cup here, measuring cup. I have my funnel. I have my pipettes and my roll-on here. So if you want to see how I put these fragrances together, just keep on watching. Alright, so for my fragrances, when you make fragrances, you need 3 notes. You need the base note, you need the middle note, and you need the top note. So for my base note, I'm going to be using caramel, vanilla. For my middle note, I'll be using chocolate amber, and for my top note, I'll be using milk and honey. So let's put this here. So first, to build the fragrances, I'm gonna start with the base note first. So it's base, middle, top. So the base note, I'll be using I'm gonna do 35 drops of the base note and put it in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Alright, 35 drops of that. Next, I'm going to be using the middle note, chocolate amber. Chocolate amber, I'll be using 25 drops of that. Put 25 drops in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Put the rest back in the bottle because we're not wasting anything. And last but not least, we have the milk and honey. And now I'll be using 15 drops. And if you see me looking down, I have the I recorded the amount that I'm pouring into each into the cup. Sorry, I got it recorded. So you want to make sure you write down how much you're gonna put in your mixture. So I'm putting 15 drops of the milk and honey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And pour the rest back in. And remember to use a different pipette for your fragrances so it doesn't get, you don't mix them in their jars by accident. So I'm twirling it. Okay. I really want the caramel vanilla to come through. That's why I put 35 drops of caramel. But I think I'm going to put 5 more drops of caramel, only because the caramel is a very light scent, so I have to apply more to it. So let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes 40. It's a really light scent. The lighter the scents, you should up it. You should up more. You should put more drops, depending on. The stronger the scent, you can always, get away with going a little bit less. You could use a little less. But if it's lighter, you use more. You can put more drops. And so I got that mixture. Next, I'm going to take the alcohol. I'm gonna put 10 drops. No, 5 drops, sorry, of the alcohol. I'll do that first. 5 drops of the alcohol into this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put the alcohol in there. Okay. Alcohol in there. Then I'm just gonna pour the fragrance into this in the funnel. So it's in there. Gonna mix it around. Mix, 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 mix. Mix it. Alrighty. And then, last but not least, gonna use the oil. The oil it just goes on your skin so nicely. That's why I'm using the oil. If you wanted to, you could have just used the alcohol, but I use the oil. I love how the oil feels, so I let the oil get in there. And there you have it, right there. And then I'm gonna put the piece for the roll-on. Make sure you press down firmly so you can hear that click. Pop the top on, and voila, you got yourself a nice fragrance here. Do it yourself, simple and easy, no worries, no fuss. You can just get your supplies. I got these at creatingperfume.com. I'll leave the link down in the description box below, so you can check that out, and you can purchase all the items here except the oil. You could get this oil. I got it at Target. I got this oil at Target, but these here, all these here, including the little cup and everything, you get it at creatingperfume.com. And you can have fun making your own fragrances. I've been having fun making fragrances, and it's been really interesting. You just come up with your own ideas of fragrances that you like, smells that you like. If you like citrus scents, there's fragrances on that website that you could put together for citrus scents. If you like floral scents, there's things that you could put together for floral scents. It's just all different type of things that you can do with these. And so thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know how this video has helped you in any way. And let us grow together, because a family that grows together stays together. And thank you so much for all the support. And remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you in the next video. Later.